How to access your digital insurance ID card on your GEICO application or the website on your iPhone or Android, or let it be your PC. The steps will be all same for every type of devices. Now I have iPhone with me, but I don't have an application, so I'm going to do it from the website. You can do it from the any way you think that is easy for you. Now, as this is my browser, I will simply tell you the steps how you can easily download the digital ID cards. Now this is the official website of GEICO Private. So pick what suits you best. Get your digital ID cards on GEICO Mobile or the GEICO.com, both website and application. Spoiler alert, you are almost done. For the mobile app, digital ID cards are easy in the application. Simply click on login, select view ID cards, and then actually you were done after step 2. So this is so easy and straightforward. You have to log in, then on the home page click on view ID cards. After you view your ID card, they will be saved to your device and you can see them whether you are logged in or not. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.